How to get Robinhood Gold Card. To apply for the Robinhood Gold Credit Card, you'll first need to join the waitlist. You'll get a confirmation email once you've joined the waitlist, and we'll let you know as soon as you can apply. You'll receive an email and a push notification from the Robinhood app once you're able to apply for the Robinhood Gold Credit Card. Select Get the Gold Card to open the Robinhood app and start your application. You can also choose to start your application directly in the Spending tab. If you have any questions during the application process, you can select Get Help in your application to contact the credit support team directly. The Gold Card has no annual fee, however. It's only available to those with an annual Robinhood Gold subscription. If you're not currently a Robinhood Gold member, once your application is approved and you accept the cardholder agreement, you'll be upgraded to Robinhood Gold.